Oh my goodness, I am so excited to bring you this video today. I got to collaborate with Shanna, Noel, and Illustrated Faith. That's one of my big secrets I've been keeping from you. They are releasing their brand new kit, Word Nerd, and I'm going to unbox it for you right now and tell you all about it. Here we go, y'all. Well, hello and welcome to Pink Paper Peppermints. My name is Melissa and I am so glad you're here today. It is a very exciting day here at Pink Paper Peppermints because I finally get to share with you that I have been working with Shanna Noel from Illustrated Faith and contributed a small part to the brand new Word Nerd kit that is releasing today. And I am going to unbox it for you here today and show you all the cuteness that is inside. First of all, I was so excited when I got it because it comes in this giant glassine bag, which could there be anything more fun? A giant glassine bag. I already have like 3 ideas that I want to use just the bag that the package came in. So I totally relate to little kids that play with the box, you know, on Christmas instead of the toy. But the kit is just absolutely adorable. I love the colors. They are pink and yellow and this pretty peachy color, and the illustrations are so cute. Some of my favorite artists, and I'm going to share those with you in just a little bit. But first I want to show you all the cute pieces that you get in this kit. This is some pink graph paper washi tape that I just love. I will be using that a lot. And this little Word Nerd sticker that's going directly on my Bible after this video is done. And this is my contribution to the kit, my mini flashcards, and these have on the front, they have a word that is pulled from the scripture reference that's in the top right corner of the card, and I designed them initially to be kind of a tickler word so that when you looked at it and you saw the word, it would remind you what that scripture reference is, and it's for scripture memory. And then on the back, you can write that scripture out on the back and then test yourself to see if you've got that scripture down. Of course, there are so many ways that you can use these mini flashcards, and I actually have a video coming up that I'm going to show you lots of cute ways to use these cards. But I just wanted to unbox the kit for you today, since the kit is coming out today, and show you all the fun things that are inside the kit. And I was really excited when I saw, I didn't plan that, but there's the 2 words happy secret in the flashcards. I was pretty excited about that. So you also get these awesome rub-ons that are little cross-shaped in beautiful fall colors. And then this stamp set, oh my gosh, the stamp set is my favorite. It is by Geraldine from In a Creative Bubble, and you've probably used stamps by her before because she is just an amazing designer. And I just love this. I think I'm going to use so many of these stamps. I especially like the I love this verse. I love that a lot of them are kind of smaller and thinner so that they will go in the pages of my Bible. Even if you don't have a journaling Bible, I think you could use these in your regular Bible as well. This is a set of stickers by Mandy Ford from Mandy Ford Art and Illustration, and she's another one of the artists that I just love, so I was so excited to be a part of this kit with her and with Geraldine. I actually have some of her prints hanging in my art room, but I just think these stickers are so adorable, and really you could use them for a lot of different things. And then finally you get the book, the Traveler's Notebook insert, and this is a little different from how Illustrated Faith usually does their inserts. This one is really neat because each one of these pages has a ticket on it that's got all these little questions that when you go through and answer them, you're basically studying a word from a scripture. And so you can use the mini flashcard words as your starting point, or whatever the Lord's putting on your heart, you could study that word. So if you don't follow Illustrated Faith on Instagram, you probably want to do that because they are going to be going through this kit and showing you how to use the insert and everything. And I would highly recommend, if you like this, to head over to illustratedfaith.com and pick up this kit because I know a lot of times they sell out of their super cute kits, and I really think this might be one of the ones that sells out because it is so adorable. I have lots of fun ideas to share with you this week in that new video, so subscribe to me if you haven't already, if you want to see those videos. And I hope that you have a week filled with peace and grace, and I will see you next time here on Pink Paper Peppermints.